It's Fansipan! Woo! So tall! What's that winding through the rocks? Boats are gliding past the flocks. Echoes bouncing off the blocks. Peek! It's Trang An Caves! Oh my, so cool! Found them calm and wide. Let's take a boat ride. Ttuttu hums, Halong grins. Let's go peek again.
What's that red and soft and high? Sliding down, we laugh and fly. Is that desert in the sky? Peek! It's Mui Ne Hills!
Whee!
We roll!
What's that floating full of fruit? Boats with mangoes, hats so cute. Shouting voices, lively route. Peek! It's the river market. Yippee! Let's shop. Juicy snacks and sales. Peekaboo with tails. Ttuttu claps, Halong hops. Let's go peek again. What's that shining in the night? Dragging face that glows so bright. Wait! It breathes out firelight. Peek! It's Da Nang Bridge. Yikes! It roars.
What's that blooming all around? Petals dancing without sound. Colors swirling on the ground.
Peek! It's Dalat's blooms. Wow! So sweet. Petals, lights, and roars. Vietnam gives us more. Ttuttu spins, Halong beams. Let's go peek again. We peeked and we found
Fun all around.
Ttuttu waves, Halong too.
See you next time.
Peekaboo.